Start with today's lesson. Today's date is 5th of April. The day is Monday. This is your math class and we are solving. Which exercise we are solving? Exercise number 8B. 8B. And 8B page number is?
233.
233 is the page number. And what's the topic for this exercise?
Of triangles.
Area of triangle.
Topic is area of triangle. And yesterday I gave you the detailed explanation that how you have to find out the area of triangle by using trigonometry. So the very important point I explained you yesterday, whoever was absent yesterday, that we have done yesterday area of the triangle. And I explained you that when we have any triangle given to us, so what is the formula for to find out the area of triangle? That if the very first step you have to do in your with your figure is this, that you have to label the sides, like opposite to A, small a, opposite to B, small b, opposite to C, small letter c. So then these are the sides. So if any two sides are given and their included angle is mentioned to you, let's suppose we have this side is 5 centimeter, this side is 8 centimeter, and then area is this angle is given like 56 degree. So how you will find out the area? Yes, boys, how you will find out the area? Just give me the review.
1/2 base into height into sine.
1/2 into AC
AC into sine B.
sine B. Sine B. So then 1/2 multiplied by what is A's value? 8. C's value? 5. And the angle sine? 56 degree. So in the same way, you just have to take the values of, multiply the values of the numerator, then divide by 2, so you will get the area. Okay, and this is the only way. But there was a one question number C part was there, that where the two sides are given to you. Let's suppose this side is any side. Okay, it's better that I can add the page. Question exercise question page.
We were given two angles and two sides, but the sides on angle H where there was no angle.
This is a question. This was a question. Huh? Just wait, I will bring it down. Yes, look at the question number C. Two angles were given, but the third angle is missing. Where the two sides are given, there the angle was missing, the main angle which we need, which is a requirement. Just remember two things. This is the thing, SAS. SAS means you can only find out the area of the triangle if you have side, between angle and the side. Then only you can find out the area of the triangle. Otherwise, no way. But if this angle is missing, like these two sides are given to us 9.5 and 10, but the included angle is missing. If the included angle is missing, you cannot find out. So to find out the included angle, first of all, we will add the sum of angles like 62 plus 57 plus angle H and keep them equal to 180. So in this way we have done yesterday, I think. So this is its value coming 61 point something. Okay, so now when you have the value of H, angle H, then only you can find out the area of the triangle. So same thing we have to do in the question number D part also. As the D part, angle L is given, angle J is given, but these two sides are mentioned. If you can see, this side is mentioned, this side is mentioned, but the included angle is not given. So first of all, write the same formula, 28 degree plus 110 degree, whatever is angle here, plus angle K is equal to 180. Find the angle K, and then after that you have to find out the area of the triangle. Is it okay, boys? Can we move to today's lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but before going to the next question, just mark the question from this exercise. We have to do question number one, then two, three, four, and only the A part of four. The second part not to do. Then go to 8B, 8C. 8C, question 1 to 6. I'm writing here. 8C, question 1 to 6 all. Exercise 8D, question number 1 to 7 all. Then our syllabus will be finished, inshallah. Noted?
Yes, ma'am, noted.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now move to question 4. Now, yesterday we have done A, B, C, and D, C, B and D was a homework. Today we have to start from your question number
F.
E. E, not F. Okay. Look at the E part. E part is not a triangle. It is a parallelogram. Can you see? It's a parallelogram. Its both sides are equal to each other. How you can find out the area of this parallelogram? Because we have the formula only for the area of triangle.
Ma'am, we will multiply it with 2.
See, if we divide it from the middle, exactly from the middle, so it will divide it into two equal parts. Yes, boys. If we take it exactly, if we take it into exactly the two equal parts, so that then it will be equal to the triangle or no? So we can write for the E part,
Yes,
we can write that area of the figure, which is the figure? Area of MNOP. MNOP, that is equal to 2 times area of which triangle? Can you tell me the triangle name? PMN?
P.
PMN. Why I am writing M in the middle? Yes, boys, why I am writing M in the middle?
Because
Angle is on
M.
M.
Because this angle is in the middle.
Ma'am, I
Okay?
have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, like over here, we're multiplying it by 2 because we have a quadrilateral, right? So instead of dividing it by half, right, ma'am? We divide it by 1 over 2. Can we just remove dividing over 1 over 2 and we don't need to multiply by 2?
Then how you will find out the area of this quadrilateral?
By the rest of the formula.
Which formula?
Um,
You want to say
the
that you
formula.
if you okay,
Yeah,
if you
because
will
ma'am,
not
because the
divide it,
reason we're dividing it by 2 is because it's a triangle. It's if you put two triangles together, it becomes
it become a
four-sided
parallelogram. Yes, it will be four-sided.
parallel. So if we don't divide it by 2, so what's the point of multiplying it by 2?
If we are not dividing by 2, so we have to divide it by 2, then because we have the formula in this for this exercise, we have to use the formula for the area of triangle. So as it is not a triangle, it's a quadrilateral, it's a parallelogram. So how we
Yes,
can
ma'am,
get the
it's a quadrilateral. But then
yes,
after that, we're multiplying it by 2. So like if we multiply 1 over 2 by 2, it becomes 1.
it become 1. Yes, that is also
Yes.
correct thing. That is, I'm getting your point that you are saying that this is 2 and we are getting 2 here also with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
formula. So what is the use of that?
Yeah.
But that
You can
if you
do
will
that, right?
not, but if you will not multiply by 2, you can cancel that 2 when you will write the formula. But if you will not multiply, then how you can cancel? So it's better to go with it.
Okay.
So which sides are given to you? First of all, mention the sides. Which sides are given to you, my dear? We have how to write the formula. Boys?
1/2.
Okay, 2. Here we have 1/2 multiplied by the side. Which sides are given to you? We have the side PM
And
multiplied by MN multiplied the sine. Which angle is there? Sine M. Yes.
Yes.
Now you have to substitute the values. 1/2 multiplied by what is PM? 5.3. What is MN? 5.8. What is sine M? Sine which degree is there?
117.
117. So take the values. If you want to cut here, you can. Or if you want to multiply with the answer, it will be.
Square.
Answer will be same.
31.7 centimeter square.
No, it's not the answer. Go again. Do the calculation again. Boys, do the calculation and tell me the exact answer, beta. Huzafa, you want to say something? Abdullah, Subhan and Huzafa?
Ma'am, it's 27.38
No, sorry, ma'am. I
centimeters square.
forgot to.
Yes, boys, what's the
13
answer?
point.
Ma'am, it's
ma'am,
27.38
27.38
centimeters.
Oh, wait.
So we will do it
Wait.
27.7.
Final answer.
Ma'am,
27.4.
square.
27.4.
27.38, sir, ma'am.
So 38 means we can write it as 27.4.
Yes, ma'am, because behind the book we rounded, that's why.
Yes. We have to write the answer up to 3 significant figure. Do you know what are the 3 significant figures?
Ma'am, the first, second, and third
Yes, ma'am.
values.
The non-zero digit.
Non-zeros. 3 non-zero first. 3 non-zero values. So non-zero means 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 values. Yes, boys. Any problem in this question?
no, ma'am.
Do the F part if you don't have any problem. Then we will compare the answers. This is F part. I'll bring it down. Everyone has to do because I can ask the answer from anyone. The same thing it is, okay? If you can see the F part, it's a square. It's only one side is label. Can you see all the lines are equal? Yes, boys?
Yes, ma'am, it's a square because they have given 2 lines to represent it.
Yes, they have given to you the lines to represent the lines are equal. So it means
Ma'am,
that
we
it's
can simply also use the formula for the area of square based on height.
no, you have to choose the area of triangle, Mubashir.
Ma'am, if we cut it in half, it's a triangle, right?
Ma'am, I
It's a
have done it.
triangle.
Right?
Yes.
So we can just, it's a square,
Ma'am, I
all
have done.
4 sides are equal, so.
Hmm.
Okay.
No, beta, don't go far. I know that this is a square and we can multiply the side by side, but you don't have to apply the formula for the area of square. Here you have to use the formula for the area of triangle, and by using the trigonometry that you have to use this formula, side included angle and side, and you have to write the formula 1/2 into base whatever are the two sides, BC or CA or whatever, and then sine of Q here. Can you see? Yes, if you have done, so we can compare the answers. If you have done. What about the rest of the students? I'm waiting for all.
Done, ma'am.
Are you sure you have done? How many of you have done with the question and getting the answer? Just raise your hand. So I can see how many of you has done. 4. Abdul Rafi, where were you yesterday, beta?
Ma'am, I couldn't wake up.
Because of the first period?
No, ma'am. Yesterday I slept on Saturday I slept late.
So it means the weekend is disturbing your routine. Yesterday, many students were absent. 4 to 5 students were absent. Is it? Boys, quickly, only 4 students have done. What about the rest of the students? Raise your hand if you have done.
1 minute.
So, mashallah, today all are present. You should tell your teachers to keep your timetable according to that it should be 3rd or 4th period, not the first one, because you don't want to wake up early.
Ma'am, but one class
Last
will be
year
there.
we
in
only
the
had 3
defense.
periods. And the school started at 9 and ended at 1 o'clock.
Then also you will not wake up at 9.
Ma'am, we did.
No, because
Yes.
you will say, okay. Then your routine will be according to that. You will sleep late and then after that woke up late.
9 is also.
Look in the Ramzan.
Ma'am is
We
pretty
will see
correct.
in Ramadan when your timings will be changed and people still are not waking on time.
Ma'am, I'll wake it. Ma'am, I won't even sleep because we'll do sari and then only 2 hours, so no need for sleep.
Then when you are
Ma'am.
sleeping after the classes, Noor?
Yes.
Good. Yes, Abdul Rahman, did you get the correct answer? What's the answer, boys, for the F part?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got
the answer is
70.805.
70.7.
70.7.
70.7 or 70.8 is a correct answer. But don't forget to write the unit. What's the unit with the answer?
Meter square.
Centimeter square.
It is meter, Hassan, meter square, beta.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. So now question number 2. Look at question number 2. Very easy question.
Ma'am, can you tell the
Ma'am,
answer
I have a
of
question.
F part?
Of
F part.
70.7.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abdul Rahman.
ma'am, when will be the final exams?
Not sure. But maybe it's because you are not getting still, you didn't get any notice from the school. So it means they are on time. Whatever the time already mentioned in your calendar.
Ma'am, after Eid.
After Eid. Because we are not sure about it. If you didn't get anything up to now, if they will, if the exams are before the, you can say before Eid, then the school will, I think so. They should give you the study guide and date sheet and all that stuff. If you didn't get anything, it means that exams are after Eid. Okay. Read the question number 2, boys. Given that, find the area of a triangle ABC. So triangle is not given. You can draw your triangle by your side. There is a triangle ABC. Then A is a triangle ABC. Given that
AB is 22 centimeter.
okay, AB is 22 centimeter.
AC is 15 centimeter and angle BAC is 45 degree.
BAC means angle is at A. That is
45.
45 degree. Boys, can you solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes,
first
ma'am.
of all, label the sides. Label the sides. If you want to label the sides, that is okay. If you don't want to label the sides, so go for it. Which formula we will write for the area here?
Ma'am, 1/2 into 15 into 22 into sine 45.
Wait, my dear, wait. 1/2 into AB into AC into sine A Then after that, substitute the values. 1 over 2 into 22 into 15 into sine 45. What's the answer for the numerator? Yes, boys?
233.3.
Divided by 2.
Ma'am, 116.7.
116.7. But if I tell you write the answer up to 3 significant figure, then what it will be?
117.
107.
117.
Yes, so it will be 117. 117. What is the unit?
Centimeter square.
Centimeter square up to 3 significant figure. Yes, boys. Any problem in question 2? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you're done with this one, can we go for question 3? Yes, boys. Done with the question 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Go for question 3. What is the question 3? There is a triangle PQR. Triangle is triangle PQR. So what is given to you for the triangle PQR? Angle P is already labeled 72 degree. Then opposite to Q there is a side Q, that is
152.
152. Opposite to R there is a R, that is
125.
125.
125. After that you can do it. Is it?
Yes.
Good, boys. Continue with the question.
It will be 1 by 2 into QR into sine P.
Yes, Noor, we will write it as 1 by 2 multiplied by small q and small r, then sine angle P. I will write the statement here for all of you. That area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by q multiplied by r multiplied by sine angle P. So what is the angle P? That you can write out, or you can write it as sine P. Then after that, just substitute the values and tell the final answer.
Ma'am, QR into sine P is 18070.07.
What's that? 1
18070.07.
070.07 divided by 2.
Yes.
Do divided by 2.
Ma'am, 9035.04.
Is it the exact answer? What about the rest of the students?
I don't know.
Ma'am, yes, same answer.
Same answer?
Ma'am, but behind the footnote is 940.
Do it again. Maybe you people are making some mistake in the calculation. Multiply them together. See, you can multiply them together on the same calculator. Like you can write once only
Yes,
that you can
ma'am. It's still
multiply
9,035.036905.
32. Let me check with my calculator.
Ma'am, the answer is coming 18070.07381.
1 second, let me multiply. 125 multiplied by 152, just one.
Multiply sine 72.
152 multiplied by sine
72.
72. So the answer is coming 18070. It's the same answer that Noor told me. The same answer it is coming.
Then ma'am, we divided by 2, which is 9035.04.
18070.07 divided by 2. So the answer is 935. So whatever answer you are getting, that you can write. Maybe the answer at the back of the book is wrong because we are not doing anything wrong.
It's 940 behind the book.
So leave the behind the book. Write whatever your calculators are giving to you, because maybe some one person can make mistake, but not all of you. Even I am getting the same answer. It's 935. 9035. It's 9035. Yes, guys, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Last part, we have 4 minutes and we can do question number 4, first part. Then
Yes,
exercise will be finished. Go to the exercise and look at this one. Included angle is given. Sides are mentioned. Can you find out the area, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Quickly.
Ma'am, A is equals to 1 over 2.
Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by AB multiplied by BC multiplied by sine B. So substitute the values. It will be 1 by 2 multiplied by 32 and 43 and sine 67.
So the answer will be 633.3.
Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
633.3. But what about up to 3 significant figure?
Only 633.
Only. Boys, do you know why they gave the answer 9040 to you?
Because they round off, ma'am.
Because they're rounding off. We have to give the answer. We have to give the answer up to 3 significant figure. That's why 9035 is. You can write 9040 and write that. First of all, what is our answer coming to on the calculator? 9035 point something. What is the answer when we divided the previous question? 18070.07 divided by 2. So the answer is, 1 second. Answer is coming 9035.035. This is the answer coming because we have to write up to 3 significant figures. So when we round it off to the 3 significant figure, increase one number and write up before the decimal value. So it will be 9040. So it is the answer up to 3 significant figures. That's why your answer is correct, but you have to convert it into the 3 significant figures. If you are not converting, if it is not mentioned in the question that you have to not to convert into the 3 significant figures, then you can write 9035. Yes, boys, what's the answer for the last part, which we have done right now?
33.
633
633 up to 3 significant figure. What's the unit?
centimeter square.
Centimeter square. So it means that your exercise is done. Yes, boys, exercise is done. You have a homework with this exercise, that is a practice now 4. Only one question is there for practice now 4.
Let's go, lads.
Practice now 4. Let me check that is there any other question related to this. So you can do that also. practice now 4. Mhm. Do only practice now 4. Okay, boys?
Okay, ma'am.
Practice now 4 and submit. Homework is practice now 4. Practice now 4 is your homework. I will add the page for you on your OneNote. So please submit your homework there. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
this much for today. Allah Hafiz. Have
Allah
a nice
Hafiz, ma'am.